Good day to all. Today I want to tell you about the concepts of React.js, like rendering components and HTC. What I worked with on projects. React has a small API and it's easy to use and learn. And the second is elements are in JavaScript. Objects that represents HTML elements. They don't exist in the browser, but they describe DOM elements such as h1, div, or selection. Then components are React elements written by the developer, and these are usually parts of the user interface that contain their own structure and functionality, like navbar, like button, or image uploader. Then the second is a JSX. JSX is a technique for creating React elements and components. The third is a virtual DOM, is a tree of React elements in JavaScript. React rendering the virtual DOM in the browser to make the interface visible. The second is rendering. The first step is rendering the virtual element. The render function takes two arguments, the virtual element and the real DOM node. React takes a virtual element and adds it to the specified node. Components are the heart and soul of React, because these are custom elements. Usually they have their own unique structure and functionality. Second is properties. Properties can be understood as component options. They are provided as component arguments and look the same as HTML attributes. It should be noted that the component property are immutable. If the component has mutable properties, use state. Condition is a state special object inside the component. It stores data that may change over time. Composition means combining smaller components to form a larger one. For example, the photo component can be used inside the photo gallery component. And I've been working on an app for the last few months on React.js. I'm getting bigger and bigger every week, getting to know SWR. The name SWR comes from state while revalidate, a caching method that is now gaining popularity in front-end development. It allows you to load cached content immediately and immediately update it to process new content in the future. What the use SWR is a React hook library developed by Vercel. It allows you to extract data from an API or other external source, store it in the cache, and then render it. The SWR library can call returns the following parameters: data, error, and is validating and mutate. That's all, teacher, for today.